Hey, what's up, Chainlink coin holders? What's going on this time? You can see my friend the Chainlink in last 24 hours 6.51% pumps up. Can you believe this is really huge pump, my friend? And you can see my friend just in only last 24 hours they will take this huge jump now. So absolutely, my friend, in those days I will already tell you to all crypto market is comfortable in completely starting moving in upward direction. So therefore Chainlink is something unique, my friend. You can see here they will starting growing up. Really, this all credit goes to holders, my friend. You know why? Because when a short-term investor, especially the short-term investor, you know, my brothers, when a short-term investor stop selling, starting holding and investing more and more, then absolutely, my friends, Chainlink will get a very good profit. But sometimes, my friends, the holder are starting selling, my friends. So therefore, when a holder are starting selling, then the coins were fails down. Definitely, when a holder are starting selling, so the coin is price goes down and they will completely, my friends, go to the garbage. So therefore you can see, my friends, Chainlink is one of the best coin, my friends. They will never fail us down very highly. Absolutely, this time you can see, my friends, they will completely moving upward, and the price is 28.07 USD dollar. They will fail us down from 2755 USD dollar, my friend. This is not a big dump, because my brother, I hope they will easily recover this loss now just in only in one day. But therefore, my friend, I will tell you to please hold on and don't starting selling. I hope at the end of month they will give you a very huge profit. See you next time. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.